Hello Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn. Okay, thank you for returning. If you're new, hit the bell icon, subscribe the channel so that you get notified. Follow me on Instagram, SSHELLSSA Shells Running. Sending you love all the way from India. Bharat, namaste. So let's start. This is going to be right from 23rd of August 2021 and so on. Well, I was saying 23rd of August and I was like into your reading and energy vibe. I heard 23rd of January. So maybe something has to do with 23rd of January 2021 when this year started, around that date, okay? Something important that started. I am also seeing here as if the rider is here. The news is here. Your destiny is here. I also saw like the horse was eating grass, which is about rejuvenation, healing, and also the concepts of activating your journey. Like there is something connected with activation. And it is also giving me the vibe of wind. This is also giving me the energy of something that is going ahead. So activating means you're energetic, means you're active. This may be something connected with your connection in particular. It's going forward. There's activation. So it's good. Like wind is happening here, and the wind is blowing and something is moving forward. Okay. So whatever it is, we are going to see. You also have amazing. You have, let's say Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, you have the bottom energy of yours. Queen of Pentacles, may it be male, female, because these are general vibes. So Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy, okay? I'm hearing the word recommendation. So maybe something will be recommended to you, or you are having, you gave your name and you are being recommended for your work. So it's good, like activation. There's going to be some activity happening. And when there's a wind, there maybe Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air sign. But apart from that, there is some conversation, some happening in your life, and your situation is moving forward, okay? And I see it's a positive turn of events. That's what I'm hearing. With activation, I see positive, okay? Emotional activation. There may be someone you're already involved, or there may be someone you recently got involved, but this person you're aware, okay? So this is King of Cups, again male or female, however it fits you. This is Cancer, Scorpio, Piscean vibe, okay? There is emotional connectivity getting strong. This may be someone you're already connected with, the Six of Cups energy. This is activation, which is about emotional activation. The reciprocation is quite well here, and this is something. The rider is here. Maybe your love is here. Maybe they're coming home. Maybe they are home with you. You're spending time with this person, knowing them well, and definitely it is someone possible. Okay. Maybe some of you are drawing line with an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Maybe this person is connected with your recent past or distant past. When the rider is here, possible you're drawing the line, like I can talk to you right now. This may be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, okay? Or this may go vice versa. I'm also seeing when the horse is eating grass, means there's someone of a visitor here. Maybe you're visiting some place. Maybe this is a long distance travel plans in the future, or this is someone who is visiting you from far. Yeah, there's a visitor, messenger, rider, okay? So this may be your friend, maybe someone who's coming from far, maybe you're having that homecoming party or something. There is definitely rejuvenation. That's what I see in the celebration. More you're comprehending the situation more in this time frame, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorns. Let's see. You are definitely meeting with someone, resurgence possible happening, making more beautiful memories. You're more emotional, you're more feeling warmth, okay? This is not person, then this is like you're feeling more warm towards someone, towards yourself. You might be drawing the line because of the warmth and the connection that is getting more strong with certain someone in your life in the present scenario, okay? Now to whom you are doing this. Two of Pentacles is the vibe of what I should do or what is right. It's also some confusion and juggle, but you're going to comprehend the situation and manage it well, okay? Let me see what is with that rider. like the horse. The horse is eating the grass, means someone is inside, means someone is visiting you, or this may be your own and you are somewhere. Now you can take it as in symbolism of like another transport, like car or something, whatever it fits you, but that's what they're telling you. There is someone's travel or visit. This may be your own. Six of Swords energy, long term or long distance. Like there's distance, of course, you're traveling, or someone is coming from far. This may be even conversation coming, okay, from far. But I feel it's a real time visit. I feel with the horse, you know, Six of Swords. So yes, some of you are meeting with your partners. Maybe they were in services somewhere, they're homecoming, like homecoming is happening here. Come home, party is here, welcoming. This is also you are getting engaged with the person if you're not, or getting married or having plans of that. Commitment is coming for some of you. With the lovers, there's maybe a Gemini, but I feel someone is assuring you and giving you that commitment. It's like meeting after long and getting more strong bonds here, okay? The lovers, it's also decision wise choices happening here. Definitely for some of you it's exact like Rider, and from Lenormand it's like Nine of Cups energy, okay? Your love is here, your spiritual connection is here, your connection with the telepathic connection, kind of like you know this person so well that you adore that, okay? It's like a blessing from the universe, the power. Yes, someone is coming from far. You've been desiring this connection, you've been desiring this meeting, and it's going to happen. And it's going to happen suddenly. Maybe this is a surprise. As a surprise, something is coming, okay? Or someone is coming. With the Three of Wands energy, tiring journey, long, you know, the ships are coming. Again, look, Six of Swords, travel. Someone's desire, dream is coming true. This is also planning of future travel and everything. You may be visiting if this is not someone coming. However, this can go vice versa. But I feel if this is you traveling, then they are coming from the area where there are huge mountains around. There might be a lot of water around, okay? Someone might be, you know, working in the services, and they might be in like, you know, on the cruise, or in the services may include a lot of stuff, you know, you can just fit that as per your thing. This is finally, I'm hearing like in your present there's going to be finally bookings, finally decisions, finally someone coming, finally you're visiting. Wow, okay. And I talked about mountains, area that does have a lot of water around, like, you know, or big mountains, I feel. So either they are coming from that place, or you live somewhere, or you are going. I'm also hearing the words deal is done, okay? So maybe some big project that you're going to get, deal is done, okay? Which is good, okay? You also have King of Swords energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So this is about important communication with certain someone who lives far, or who is coming to meet you, and that may be the declaration of something, and the deal is going to be done. This may be someone you love, or this may be someone who loves you, kind of energy mutual goes by. And this may be expression from this person as well, like you have Jack of Hearts energy, Page of Cups expression. But first of all, I'm going to take this card because this flipped. It's about your decision of whether to move or not to move. This may be total shift also at two places, regarding work as well. So you're going to make, because you have 2 times Six of Swords energy. So now first thing, someone is visiting you because there was a rider. Love coming in your life, you are going, you are visiting. However, there is a travel in your chart. Now, because I said this is going to be right from 23rd of August and so on, so this may go on. Like, you need not to fix that as in like week. Maybe your plans are ahead of the week, okay? So it depends. You can stretch it up to 6 months as well. It depends. Timeline, okay? Timeless. Maybe you're going to meet someone who is going to be very influential, and they're going to become important part. Maybe you're getting some advice and counseling from this person. This may be travel or visit to this person specific, and you know them, of course. I heard like someone is going to stay somewhere for a little while, like for 6 months straight. Once they're going to visit, straight 6 months stay or 6 weeks stay. Okay, someone is going to stay somewhere once they visit there. If someone is coming, then they're going to stay, they're going to come to meet you. If you are going somewhere, you're going to stay there. So it's not going to be permanent though for some time, but it's going to be the stay for some weeks or months. And they're going to have meals with you, possible, or you're going to have meal with them. Something is going to happen here. Look, you're going to, your energy is here. Let me see what is coming in the future. You are more important to someone or to yourself, however it fits you. Some of you are giving birth in the coming time. So female wives listening, you will be in the next phase of your life. Who all are going with this? Not everyone is going with this. The Empress energy, okay? No, they're so whiny, but you have some stress, thinking about too much, okay? Please focus on what is now. In the future, okay. I said so, just focus on the now to make something work. For some cases, it's going to be a little hard for you to make place somewhere or for someone to make place in your heart. I don't know why, but this is something trying to fit in. You have 7 of Wands energy with the 3 of Pentacles. Something that you really want is going to take a lot of work here. It's maybe collaborations, sponsorships here, something like that, okay? This may be often visits to make something work. So this is about polishing yourself or working for something in collaboration possible in the coming time. This is connected with big pentacles and big people, big influential energies as well, somehow. And it's like it's going to take your hard work to enter somewhere. Or maybe this is your own vibe that you're not allowing. Like, you know, some people, they just don't, this is something to work on your principles, like rules, something. Like, I want break just to fit in. I want work, just, it goes a little bit my way as well. And nothing that touches me, like kind of energy. Okay? Definitely. You might be having that thought of like how hard it is going to be or how difficult it is going to be or how well it is going to be with the 2 of Wands energy. You're thinking deep, you're noticing, you're learning something, you might be practicing something. Practicing. The first thing I heard was the one who doesn't say, like they're not expressing something, possible their emotions, but they want. A very important connection here, the close connection, and it is, you don't show it off, like it's not even needed here, okay? Also, there is something that is so close to you, like your desire here, but then again there are other things that you need to consider while you're on the go, because you're going to be on the go, but you need to remember what is that you're going to leave behind. And again, this may be work, relationship, what fits you, because there is a future planning, of course. There are energies around you, 2 important energies who are very inclined towards you, but on the go there is something more important connected with you. I know that. Look, your focus is like that. You might not be looking to them, but your just focus is on that something. Now how you're going to consider all of that stuff, because you're stopping everyone who is coming towards you, because you have more flowers on the wand and you have grown that and you worked for something so hard. So you're going into solace to, or solitude to uncover all that and unleash that. You know, someone is working here on some project very, very deep. Yeah, take care guys. I love you. See you soon. Bye.